Looking for a Teslong promo code before placing your next order? Here's one worth trying. The Teslong promo code is TESDC. If you're shopping for inspection cameras, borescopes, or other Teslong tools, enter TESDC during checkout to check the savings available for your eligible purchase. Using the code is simple. First, choose the Teslong products you need and add them to your shopping cart. When you reach checkout, find the promo code or discount code box. Enter TESDC and apply the code. Make sure the code has been accepted and review your updated order total before completing payment. This lets you confirm the available savings directly at checkout. Teslong offers inspection equipment for a wide range of applications. Its cameras and borescopes can help users examine engines, pipes, HVAC systems, machinery, wall cavities, and other spaces that are difficult to see or reach. Whether you're a mechanic, technician, plumber, contractor, automotive enthusiast, or DIY user, Teslong has different inspection solutions designed for both professional and everyday projects. But before you buy, remember the most important part of this video, the code. TEWC. There are several Teslong promotional codes that shoppers may come across online, but TESDC is our recommended code to try first on qualifying products. You don't need to complete your purchase to see whether it works. Simply apply TESDC to your cart and check the updated total before paying. So, if you're planning to purchase a Teslong inspection camera, borescope, or another eligible product, don't go straight to payment. At checkout, enter TESDC. Once again, the Teslong promo code is TESDC. Add your products to the cart, apply TESDC, check your savings, and then complete your order. Teslong promo code, TESDC. Try it on your next eligible Teslong purchase.